This company made $10 million in profit in just 1 week using AI software that is entirely free for anyone to use. They used a concept that I want you to keep at the forefront of your mind throughout this entire video. It's called value arbitrage. And it's the very technique that propelled Lensa to earn a staggering $1 million in daily profits. Lensa repackaged AI technology that was freely accessible to anyone into a user-friendly app and created a front end that made it incredibly convenient to use. They promoted it and generated enormous profits without any overhead costs. And the very good news is that it's still early, and AI is still very new to many people, so the opportunities to make a ton of money are here, and they are endless. This is why I created this video, with tons of value, to open your mind and show you how to do it. If you think this is crazy, I don't blame you. I didn't believe it until I saw it either. And the best part about this is, it requires no experience. It can pay you wherever you live. So if you're able to watch this YouTube video right now, then you're able to get paid by these methods. Business idea number 1. Imagine having a virtual t-shirt store that runs on artificial intelligence, selling a wide range of items to customers all around the world without holding any inventory. The potential for success is immense. This store, for example, made over $1,000 profit in the last 7 days. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Start by using a powerful AI tool like ChatGPT to generate t-shirt design ideas. ChatGPT can help you narrow down your choices and pick your favorite concepts. If you need my help with crafting the right prompt, let me know in the comments below and I'd love to help. Step 2. Once you have your design concepts, leverage services like Midjourney or Leonardo AI, which is the free alternative for Midjourney, to generate stunning art based on those ideas. Step 3. To bring your designs to life without holding any inventory, use a service called Printful. It's a popular print-on-demand solution that prints and ships your products directly to customers. The best part? You don't need to invest in inventory or handle the shipping process. It's hassle-free. Step 4. To take your AI e-commerce store further, consider using platforms like Shopify or Etsy. These platforms provide easy-to-use templates and drag-and-drop functionality to help you set up your store quickly. You can also generate a website completely with AI with tools like Durable and Hookus. Each platform also has its own advantages and disadvantages, but that's for another video. And the amazing part is, no coding is required. If you choose Shopify, you can enhance your store's effectiveness by employing additional AI tools like Sidekick for building landing pages, and Jasper or Copy AI for copywriting. ChatGPT will work too, but might take more time to find the right prompts. With these tools, you can let AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on growing your business. All links will be in the description. Step 5. Regarding marketing, don't overlook the power of social media platforms like TikTok. Many dropshippers are leveraging TikTok's organic reach to showcase their products. And let's not forget about Facebook ads and Instagram, which continue to be an effective way to reach potential buyers. Remember, building a successful e-commerce brand goes beyond just selling products. It's about creating a unique culture and community around your brand. Focus on crafting a compelling brand identity and sharing your story to stand out from the competition. Now, some of you might wonder if this sounds too good to be true or even illegal. Rest assured, selling AI-generated art is legal. Since no human created the art, you have the freedom to use AI art to make money in any way you want. Lastly, don't limit yourself to just t-shirts and clothing. The possibilities are endless. You can explore other products like canvas art, puzzles, coffee mugs, and even notebooks. With print-on-demand dropshipping, you can effortlessly experiment with different designs and start your business with zero upfront costs. Business idea number 2. The best part about this method is that you can start earning money completely for free. Let me show you an account that is doing something similar. For example, this account is in the health niche and posts different content about weight loss. But if you click on the links, you'll notice that it's promoting the smoothie diet, which is a popular affiliate product on ClickBank. So if someone buys the product through their link, they will get a commission. And if we look here, you'll see that they're getting over 300,000 monthly views, which means they're definitely making some money. I also found another account promoting a popular keto product, and I'm sure they're making lots of money. So how does this method work? You'll need 5 different websites. Step 1. Log into ClickBank, which is a marketplace for products you can promote and earn a commission. Step 2. Use any website builder tool like Google Sites, Wix, or some of the new AI tools like Durable or Mixo to build the landing page. Step 3. Use ChatGPT, which will help you come up with content related to the affiliate offer we promote. If you like to receive our Master GPT prompt guide, let me know in the comments and I'll upload it right away. Step 4. After that, use Canva to design the marketing materials out of the answers from ChatGPT. And the last step is to start driving traffic from Pinterest, which will be the main platform to drive sales for free. Want to learn more about it? Let me know in the comments below and I'd be happy to help. Business idea number 3. In today's digital age, where content is consumed rapidly, the importance of thumbnails cannot be overstated. Thumbnails act as the gateway to online content, serving as a digital book cover. A compelling thumbnail can entice a potential viewer to click on a video, read a blog post, or explore a website. Conversely, an unattractive or irrelevant thumbnail can discourage engagement, no matter how high quality the underlying content may be. Consider this. Every second, a multitude of content is uploaded to platforms like YouTube, blogs, and other websites. This ever-expanding digital universe relies heavily on visual cues to attract potential viewers or readers. As the saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words. And in the realm of the internet, a thumbnail is that pivotal image. Now here's where the integration of AI comes into play. Specialized thumbnail creation. The AI platforms like Midjourney and Leonardo AI have honed the capability of producing image content based on textual prompts. Think of a scenario where a content creator provides a brief about a video or an article, and the AI responds with a visual representation, the thumbnail. This isn't futuristic, it's happening now. Niche focus. Rather than trying to cater to every possible thumbnail requirement out there, it's advisable to specialize. If, for instance, you choose YouTube thumbnails, you can master that art and cater to a specific clientele. Specialization often leads to recognition and expertise in a particular field, making client acquisition more straightforward, combining AI with a human touch. While AI can generate images, the final touch often requires a human touch. A content creator might need to use applications like Photoshop or Canva to refine these thumbnails. Both these platforms, while catering to different expertise levels, offer immense potential to create engaging thumbnails. For those starting, Canva provides a more user-friendly platform, but mastering tools like Photoshop can elevate the overall design potential. The demand for captivating thumbnails is immense. Content creators, especially those on platforms like YouTube, are in constant need of thumbnail artists who can visually encapsulate the essence of their content. The integration of AI into this process not only expedites it, but also offers a plethora of options to choose from. Monetization and impact. A business centered on AI-driven thumbnail creation has a dual advantage. First, there's a monetary benefit. As content creation grows, so does the demand for visually enticing thumbnails. Second, there's an impact. Thumbnails directly influence click-through rates. A well-crafted thumbnail can lead to higher engagement, benefiting the content creator immensely. Business idea number 4. The digital revolution has opened up new avenues for art creation, particularly with the integration of AI. The realm of AI artwork is a burgeoning field, teeming with untapped potential. At the intersection of art and technology, we find a goldmine of business opportunities, and a Fiverr-based AI art service is a shining example. AI-driven platforms like Midjourney or Leonardo AI, which is the free option, have harnessed the power of algorithms to generate unique artwork. This isn't about replicating existing styles, but about giving birth to something entirely new, often in mere moments. The untapped potential here isn't just in creating art, but also in addressing customized requests, an avenue traditional artists might find time-consuming. Most people are still coming to grips with the idea of AI-generated art. This unfamiliarity presents a dual opportunity: education and service. By introducing people to the magic of AI art, entrepreneurs can position themselves at the forefront of this revolution, offering both information and a range of services. Unlike traditional art, where the creation process can be long and meticulous, AI can deliver multiple variations in a fraction of the time. This rapidity doesn't just cater to the impatient, but can also be a boon when looking to experiment with different designs or perspectives. The mention of reviving old photos showcases the depth of personalization AI art can achieve. Think of the emotional resonance of such a service, where memories can be rejuvenated and cherished moments brought back to life with added dynamism. Beyond just creating images, the business model can evolve into tangible products. If someone loves an AI-generated art piece, why not offer them the chance to wear it or showcase it? Printing these artworks on merchandise like t-shirts, hoodies, or even canvas can add an additional revenue stream. Traditionally, bespoke artwork has often been seen as a luxury due to the time and effort artists invest. With AI, while the quality remains high, the process is expedited, allowing for a cost-effective solution. This can democratize access to custom art, making it available to a wider audience. The scalability of an AI art business is immense. Just as with AI-driven copywriting, there's potential for mass customization without the need for a proportional increase in resources. With the power of AI at one's fingertips, managing multiple client requests simultaneously becomes feasible. Business idea number 5. While AI's capabilities are vast and wide-reaching, the beauty of its application often lies in the simplest of ideas, like kids' coloring books. When economies retract, luxuries are often the first expenses to be axed from household budgets. However, parents universally prioritize their children's happiness and well-being. This fundamental truth makes kids' coloring books a recession-proof endeavor. Economic downturns often lead to an increased demand for affordable luxuries or comfort items. Instead of splurging on designer brands, families refocus on in-home entertainment and bonding activities. Coloring books, being both educational and engaging, emerge as a preferred choice, striking the right balance between cost and value. While the digital age has taken over many traditional forms of entertainment, physical books, especially for children, hold a unique charm. Not only do they serve as a break from screen time, but they also promote creativity. Platforms like Etsy are filled with stores showcasing the potential of this niche, with some making impressive monthly revenues just from coloring books. The traditional e-commerce rule of increasing the average order value through upselling is perfectly applicable here. Once a customer is interested in a coloring book, they are more likely to purchase related items like coloring pencils, crayons, or even themed stickers. Bundling these can also be an option, creating a comprehensive coloring package. Traditionally, designing a coloring book page is time-consuming, requiring artistic skills and inspiration. With AI tools like Midjourney, creating diverse and engaging coloring pages becomes a streamlined process. By inputting a simple description, AI can generate intricate designs, reducing the time and cost associated with manual design. With print-on-demand services such as Lulu or Mixam, the actual creation of the physical coloring book is hassle-free. Entrepreneurs needn't maintain stock. They can simply print as orders come in. Furthermore, platforms like Etsy provide a vast customer base actively searching for niche, custom products. If you'd like to learn more about it, let me know in the comments below, and I'd love to share more information about it. Business idea number 6. The pet industry is not only thriving, but also undergoing transformative changes with the infusion of AI technologies. Let's break down the insights from the passage above and delve deeper into the untapped potential that can be found in combining the vast opportunities within the pet industry and the advancing AI trends. The pet industry is booming, as witnessed by the 6% annual growth rate. People love their pets and are willing to go the extra mile to ensure their comfort and happiness. This emotional attachment to pets makes it an industry ripe for innovative and creative business solutions, especially in challenging times. Social media provides an accessible platform to showcase pets. While the passage touched on Instagram and the potential for sponsored posts, there's a broader universe to explore. For instance, AI-driven platforms like TikTok, with their algorithmic prowess, can help videos go viral. But how can one make this content unique? Here's where AI comes in. Customized pet content creation. Tools like DeepArt can transform your pet photos into works of art. Perhaps you can use AI to develop personalized pet stories, games, or even create virtual pet worlds with Instaverse. Pet voiceovers. Imagine your pet speaking. Tools like Descript's Overdub can be used to produce pet voiceovers, making your content quirky and engaging. Once you've amassed a following, there are various ways to monetize your platform. Pet product reviews. AI analytics tools can help identify trending pet products. You can create review content and earn through affiliate marketing. AI-powered personalized merchandise. AI can help design personalized pet merchandise based on your pet's digital footprint. Picture AI-generated art of your pet or storybooks featuring AI-crafted tales of your furry friends' adventures. The education aspect touched upon in the text is incredibly potent, but beyond traditional training, you can offer AI-powered pet behavior analysis. Use AI tools to analyze pet behavior and develop unique training programs. Offering virtual AI-driven assessments can be a new income stream. Virtual pet training. AI chatbots can answer common queries or even provide basic training guidelines. Teaming up with other pet influencers can exponentially increase reach. For instance, AI tools can help identify the perfect collaboration partner based on engagement rates, audience overlap, and other metrics. Sure, making a quick buck is possible, but the real value lies in building a brand. With the help of AI, you can have customer insights. Use AI analytics to understand what your audience wants and tailor content accordingly. Product development. AI can help identify gaps in the market, giving insights into potential products or services that pet owners might desire. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word AI business to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more exciting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.